This is the last video of 2021 on my channel, and that's why I decided to bring something really amazing, and that's why I got this trick, which is really easy to do, but at the same time you guys are afraid to perform it. Now, as you can see in the performance, this is the jumping ring, and you guys most probably know the secret. The secret is very simple. You switch these two fingers with these two, put it on the the middle finger, and while shaking your hand you're actually going to switch these two fingers, which will make it look like that the ring jumped from one finger to the other, but in reality the fingers have been switched. This sleight of hand, as you saw right now over here, is so easy that you guys might think that it is pretty lame, and just forget about you guys, just talk about me. Even I used to think that this is not practical until 2 days ago, when one of my friends, he actually performed this right in front of me and many other guys, and every single one of them was shocked. Even I was getting fooled, and the weird part was I knew how this trick was done and still I was getting fooled, and the reason is because of the hand movements. Now these hand movements, we cannot do that much in this camera because, as you see, this camera has a fixed frame and we cannot go much out of this frame, so we have to stay inside of it. But when you're performing this in front of real people, there is no such frame or anything, there's no such boundary. You can go freely, you can move freely and use as much space as you want. So basically this trick is all about space and your hand movements and perfect timings. So this video is going to be the in-depth explanation of how your hand movements should be in order to perfectly execute this trick and make it look like damn good in real life. I mean, trust me, what you're seeing in camera, it might not look that satisfying, but when you see this right in front of your eyes, happening right in front of your eyes, it's guaranteed you guys are going to get impressed. That's because of this trick. So here's where the secret lies. So first, when you're going to show the ring and these two fingers, you're going to raise this hand to your eye level. Now as you see, when I bring my hand to my eye level, the hand is actually out of the frame. So here I cannot do that in camera, right? So this is hardly like my chest level right over here. So you have to bring this hand up to your eye level, and if I move backwards, you'll be able to see this is what the hand level is right now. And all you have to do is basically move this hand from here to here. You're going to turn your wrist and move this hand, and while doing that, okay, before that you have to just take the ring off, and while moving this hand like that, you're actually going to open the ring finger and close the index finger. And this, as you see, is a very big movement, and in this very big movement, if you do this switch, people won't be able to figure it out. But if I do this in front of the camera, you'll be able to see when I'm switching, right? Even though I have to do it really fast in order to hide it, but while you're actually going to do this in front of spectator, since there's going to be a lot of room, you don't have to do it fast at all, and that's where it's going to be more fooling, because the spectators are going to get fooled that easily. Now also practice this in front of the mirror so that you know you're actually placing your hand at the correct angle, so that you don't actually show your hand in this manner. They're going to see the index finger is right now curled in and it's actually hiding behind these two fingers. So you don't want that to happen. Now as soon as you come down, immediately you're actually going to put this ring inside your finger and start shaking your hand immediately. And when you start to shake it, in the first shake only, I would suggest you to actually switch these two fingers, because when you do that, it's pretty much invisible. And since it's invisible and you actually shake the hand a little bit fast at the beginning, not that fast, a little bit fast, and gradually go slow, it looks like that the ring actually jumped from this finger to this finger, because the ring actually leaves an after image, which actually looks like that it is on the other finger. And it is not that much visible because the spectators won't be able to figure it out, because in their brain they're also going to process that the ring is still over here and the after image that they're seeing is on this finger. But when you gradually slow down the shake, it looks like that the ring has jumped from one finger to the other, and that's how you're actually going to play that visual illusion with the spectator's mind, and that's how it's going to be very much convincing. And trust me guys, this is so convincing that even my friend performed this in front of the spectator like about 2 to 3 times. He even did this in slow motion, and the spectators weren't able to perform it. I mean, weren't able to figure it out what was happening and how it was happening. So that is how you're actually going to execute this. And trust me guys, whatever moves I just told to you right now, do that in front of the mirror and you are actually going to get the result right in front of your eyes, because even you are going to get fooled. I get fooled, trust me guys. So that's it for this video. That's how you're going to do it. This was a little in-depth explanation, although that not that long video, because this is a really simple trick, but the hand movements are the ones that need explanation with examples. So that's why the video got to this long, which it shouldn't have been. But anyways, thanks for watching, and also guys, Happy New Year in advance. And at the same time, I pray for the prosperous year of 2022 for every single one of you out there. Saying that, I'm also going to have a giveaway in 2022, and it's going to be pretty big. Trust me guys, it's going to be really big, and it's going to be for those people who are not just subscribers but also my regular viewers. So that was just a hint right now. I'm not going to reveal every single thing about the giveaway, but then again, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. If you are new here, then make sure you subscribe, because that's what helps me make amazing videos like this one for you guys. And one more time, thanks for watching. Peace.